So this is going to be your quarter rep hip thrust, or also known as the CAS glute bridge. This is going to be a shortened position focus variation, meaning just the top bit is the bit that you're going to be focusing on. So whack a bench up against the wall so that you can slightly lean into it, and then you can start to lift up on, yep. With this setup, once your tabletop's at the top, we want your shins vertical facing the roof. We want shoulder width apart and a little toe point out. Brooke's going to go down just before her knees cave in. That's going to be her end range, and then she's going to come back up. If this was her pelvis, she's going to focus on dipping it down and then rotating it back up, which is going to allow her to shorten it up the top. This variation, if you've struggled with getting your glutes in the hip thrust, is going to help you because it's going to make you focus just on this bit. Another thing is focusing on knees out slightly.